Well, I think we got another one. Oh, we got two in here. First double of the day. Double banger. What's up, everyone? Look at that view. Another beautiful day in Florida. No wind. It's hot. It's humid. It's time to catch some blue crabs. I got my kayak loaded up with Kraken folding traps. I got like 8 or 10 of them, and I got 2 of the Kraken ring traps I'm gonna put out today. They're all tied to pool noodles. What I do is I just throw them out, and I'll wait like 15 minutes and I check them. So we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna get on out there and set our traps. All I do is I throw my pool noodle out, drop the trap straight down. I got all my traps out. I got 11 traps out starting right there and goes all the way over to there. I got them pretty close together starting off just to see what happens. But I want to share something with y'all. If you come out and decide to try something like this, you know, like today, I'm surrounded by a bunch of commercial pots. Do your best to stay away from the commercial guys. And the reason why I say that is that's their livelihood. You know, we're out here for recreational use, you know, catch something for dinner, make a YouTube video. So, you know, show a little respect to the commercial guys and try to keep your stuff away from them guys. First 4 traps, nothing. I don't feel like, oh, we do got one in here. Just a little guy. First crab of the day. Not a wall mounter. We'll let him go. Let him go, let him grow. Hey, we broke the ice. Oh, we got a crab. We got a first keeper crab. Look at that. First keeper of the day. It's a nice crab too. We'll take that big old boy. Here we go. Get him in the cooler. We're gonna put this one back out. This trap, like I said, only been soaking for 5 minutes, so. First time around, 2 crabs, 1 keeper. Not great, but we'll take it. And I'll show you what I'm doing. So I started up there and I finished here. So what I'm doing is, as I'm pulling the traps, any of my empty traps, I'll leave in and I'll start where I left off and just keep working my way around until we get on some crabs. I'm gonna give it a good 15 minutes and we're gonna check them again. Hopefully we can get some more crabs on this next pull. Oh, we got a crab. Almost went over top of it. There we go. Not big enough, we're gonna let it go, but hey, we're catching crabs, so. Coming up on the ring basket. Still looking for my first crab ever out of a ring basket. I'm hoping, man. I'm hoping. Nothing. We're gonna move it. I feel like, I mean, these are pretty big. I feel like I should be able to get 2 or 3 in here. We're gonna move it though. I'm telling you, I think it's slack tied because there's like no rope. Oh, I got a big crab. This rope's just dead. Oh, I thought it was a bigger crab than that. Let me hit my spot lock. I thought it was bigger than that, and it's a female. There you go. Nice little rusty bottom on her though. We'll let her go. All right, let's get another one. Let's get another one. Oh, we got another one. A keeper this time. Look at that. Nice. That's a nice crab right there. Definitely a box crab. Put him in the box. Boom, I'm telling you, my goal today is to get like 10 or 12 crab, so I'll have enough for a cookout tonight. You know, it's just my wife and I, so we don't need a lot. If I get 10 or 12, there you go, man. Not a bad start. We got a couple crabs in the cooler. Last couple traps had crabs. Let's keep it going. Well, I think we got another one. Oh, we got two in here. First double of the day. Double banger. Both females. There you go. Actually, I think I'm going to keep the one female. Looks pretty mature. Both of them actually look pretty mature. I'm going to keep both them females. Like I said, I usually don't keep females, but today I think I'm going to. And if I get plenty, I'll release the females. I just want to make sure I have enough for a cookout tonight. All right, last few traps. We've got crabs. Let's keep it going. Nothing in the ring trap yet. That's a little disappointing. A little update. When you're out here crabbing, a couple of things you need to bring. One, sunscreen. Most times down here in Florida, when I'm crabbing, the UVs are extreme. So I always wear a sunscreen and always wear a sun shirt. Always long sleeve. So there you have it. Bring plenty of liquids. I usually carry about 5 or 6 bottles of water on me. Plus I keep a case in my truck. I've got 7 or 8 crabs right now. I got 4 in the box. I got a couple females that I kept. Usually I release my females, and I will later if I get quite a few more crabs. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and keep them. In the state of Florida, you can keep male and female crabs. There's not a size limit, and the females can't be egg bearing. So there you have it. We're gonna give it a good 15 minutes, see if we can't put some more crabs in this cooler. I tell you, man, kayak crabbing is the way to go. You can cover a bunch of water, put out quite a few traps, don't have to worry about anybody. It's just another fun way and productive way to catch crabs. This is the basket. Nothing. Man, I've yet to get one in this basket. It's driving me crazy. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I feel like we got one in here. Oh yeah, we do. There we go. There we go. We'll take that. That's a box crab. Man, first crab in this little cove. I was a little disappointed that we didn't pick up any more. I thought for sure we'd do pretty good in here. That's the way it goes, I guess. But you know what? I'm starting to put some more in the cooler. I think we got a crab on this one. Oh yeah, we got a crab. There we go. Pretty crab. Not a bad looking crab. He's borderline keeper. We'll throw him in the box. We'll throw him in the box, why not? He's not huge, but we'll keep him. Like I said, if we start getting some more crabs, we can be a little bit more picky. Perfect day to be on the water catching some blue crab. Nothing in this one. Let's pull up and grab this one real quick. It's gonna be a little bit of a challenge right here against the bank, but we can do it. Got it. See what we got. Feel like we got a crab in here. Feel like we got a crab. Oh, we got a crab. Oh, felt that crab in there. Here we go. Not huge. About the size I kept earlier. Again, we'll throw them in there. We can pick through them later. Not a wall mounter. Got it. Let's see what we got. Oh, there's a crab. I guess I just have to talk about moving. Again, not a big crab. These are all borderline keepers, the last few I caught. On a good day, I'd be throwing them back. They're starting to add up. I'm just not getting any big ones lately. Oh, I feel like we got a crab in here, maybe a double. Maybe a double. Oh no, we got one. There we go. A little immature female. You can tell it's an immature female because its skirting right here is shaped like a pyramid. If it was a mature female, it'd be more rounded. But there you have it. We're gonna let her go for sure because she hasn't made babies yet. Oh, not good. All right, we'll get her later. There she is up there. Let's get her out of here. Let's get her out of the boat. Let it go, let it grow. A little update, I just moved closer to the mainland. Got all my traps back out. I put fresh bait on most of them. I got storms popping up now. I'm not sure if you can see that storm over there. I think it's going that way. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it 30 minutes here, and then I'm gonna probably pull my traps and crab closer to the vehicle. That way if a storm pops up, I'm able to get back to the truck safely. But I'll show you what I got in the box. Not a good day size-wise. There you go. We're gonna give it a good 15 minutes. And like I said, we're gonna check the traps, maybe put them out one more time here, and then make the move back towards the truck. All right, let's check this bad boy. We're due. We are due. Oh, we got a crab. I thought it was bigger than that because we had that snail in there. Hey, but you know what? We got a crab. We'll let him go. I probably kept a couple of that size, but I'll go ahead and let him go. All right, we're gonna check these two traps and we're gonna make a move. I'm all about moving. Although I feel like we got a crab in this trap. I feel like we got a crab. Yep. There you go. This poor guy don't have no claws. We're gonna throw him in the box. I feel like we got a crab in this one too. Nope, just a bunch of grass. There you go. That felt heavy. I thought we had a crab. The grass is nasty. All right, we're gonna make a move. A little update, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. I'll probably call a crab in over an hour. Made another move. I'm pretty close to my truck now. And what I did was, I was crabbing 6 to 8 feet of water. Now I'm trying like 4 feet of water, see if that makes a difference. I got 9 in the box, and I threw back probably 4 or 5. But I'll be honest with you, most days, I'd probably throw back most of these crabs. I just want something for dinner tonight, so I kept, I think, 9. But there you have it. There's some there. There's some up there. We're gonna give it 15 minutes, check these traps. If I don't have any more crabs, if I don't have any crabs in these traps, I'm gonna call it a day. If I get 1 or 2 more, we'll put them back out one more time. All right. I've yet to catch a crab in my ring traps. Let's check the ring traps. I haven't caught a crab in my ring traps all day. It's crazy. Still nothing. What do we got on here? I thought I felt something in there. Just a little guy. Another little crab. The future is bright. I got one in this trap. I might put a couple out back up in here. We'll see. Oh, another crab. There you go. Again, a little too small. But we're getting crabs over here, so I might drop a few traps over here. Put it back out one more time, see what happens. We might have a crab in here. We might have a crab. Yep. There we go. This little area right here picked up 3 crabs. I threw out some more traps. The downfall because they're all pretty small. But, hey, maybe we'll find a mature crab in here. Put it back out, see what happens. Grabbed it. See what we got. Oh, we got a crab. We got a crab. There we go. There we go. I'm going to throw him in there. He's borderline, but we're keeping him. Today is not going to be quality by any means, but I tell you what, we're going to have some crab tonight. I'm feeling pretty confident. I think we got crab on. I wouldn't recommend pulling them in this way. There we go. There's a crab. Told you, stay positive. Look at that. Crab on. A little male. This spot was actually pretty good right here. Just a lot of little crab. Well, that is a wrap. What an awesome day on the water. You know, I didn't catch a ton of crabs. I call it maybe between 20 and 25. I got 10 in the cooler. But you know what? That's plenty enough for a meal, so I'm pretty happy about that. I worked my butt off today. I covered a lot of water and put a lot of traps out. But as you can see, by doing that, it paid off. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the water. All right, I don't have my mic on. I loaded the truck up, but before I loaded the truck up, I threw a trap out. And I figured I'd let it set while I load the truck up. So maybe we'll get lucky and get one more crab. Never know. Crab on. Look at that. Heck, I should have crabbed from the bank today. One trap, one crab. Little female. There you go, man.